Hello everybody, my name's Jo Empson and this is Wilfred. Wilfred's a bit tired at the moment, so I'll try not wake him up. But so I'm an author illustrator and I've done quite a few books, and one of the books I've produced is called Rabbityness, and you might know it, I hope you do. It's about a very, very special rabbit. So although Rabbit likes doing rabbity things like hopping and jumping and twirling his whiskers and washing his ears, he also likes to do unrabbity things. And unrabbity things like painting. So I thought it might be nice today to show you how to do a very unrabbity painting. So I'm going to take you into the kitchen and we're going to do some rabbit painting. Okay. So here we are in the kitchen, and I've got my white paper with my rabbit character here, coloured in black, and then I've got lots of nice bright colours. So I've got pink, yellow paint, blue and green, and a paintbrush and some straws. So we've got Rabbit here, and he's got his paintbrushes in his paws and is in his ears, and I'm going to show you how to create some rabbit type unrabbity painting. So we're going to dip the paintbrush in one of the colours, and then we're just going to tap it, so it's like lots of spots, and you want the paint quite watery as well. So have a bit of pink now. There we are, lots of lovely splats everywhere. And then some blue. Some more yellow. And some green. I need to make it a little bit more watery, I think. Let's give it some colour up here. There we are. And then we're going to take a straw, and then we're going to hold it quite close to the big drops, watery drops of paint, and then we're going to blow. So you get all these lovely shapes and all the colours merging in together. You need to take a breath as well, because it can make you a bit dizzy. So just do a little, like a few sort of blows at a time, and then have a little rest. And then I think we might sort of put a few more colours in. But all these lovely shapes and all the different colours merging looks wonderful. There we are. Looks like a sort of marble effect. There we are. So it looks like Rabbit's had a very busy day painting. So I hope you have fun doing that, and I'd love to see your paintings if you do any unrabbity paintings. And I hope you all have a lovely day. Bye bye.